Welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how I created this full glam cut crease look, please keep watching. So using my Morphe E27 brush, I'm going to be taking the shade Terracotta from the Morphe 3502 palette, and I'm just going to be using this as a transition shade. Next, I'm going to be taking my Morphe MB23 brush and using the shade In the Zone, just going to be buffing that into the crease. Now I'm just picking up the shade Brunette from the palette on my Morphe M330 brush, and I'm just using that to darken up the outer corner. And make sure everything is blended perfectly and there's no harsh lines. To cut the crease, I'm going to be taking my Morphe M224 brush, and I'm going to be using the P. Louise eyeshadow base in the shade 5. Now I'm just going back in with my tapered blending brush just to make sure that my outer V blends smoothly into the cut crease. For my lid, I'm going to be taking this flat brush and popping on the shade Queen from the Morphe times Jaclyn Hill palette. Now I'm just going to be taking this gold glitter liner and putting this right in the crease. So I actually didn't want to use any liquid liner for this look, so I'm just taking some black matte shadow on my Morphe M156 brush just to hide the band from my falsies. face makeup and I'm going back in now to finish off the eyes. I'm going to be taking the shade Terracotta again and putting that on the bottom lash line and also blending it out into the V. Now I'm going to be taking a thinner brush and putting some black shadow really close to the lash line. So I decided not to film my face routine just so I can focus more on the eye look. But I guess I decided to leave my lip routine in there. So what I'm using is the MAC lip liner in the shade Chestnut, the best lip liner ever. And then I'm going to be using the MAC lipstick in the shade Taupe. And then I'm going to be finishing it off using the NYX Butter Gloss lip gloss in the shade Madeline. I hope you guys enjoyed this full glam look. Like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.